Let's explore the PMT function in Excel. This function is a financial essential for calculating periodic payments on loans with constant interest rates. The PMT function calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. It is perfect for calculating car loans, mortgages, personal loans, and any fixed payment scenarios. The syntax for the PMT function is as follows: equals PMT, open parenthesis, rate, comma, nper, comma, PV, comma, open bracket FV, close bracket, comma, open bracket type, close bracket, close parenthesis. Here, rate refers to the interest rate per period. nper refers to the number of payment periods. PV refers to the present value, which is the loan amount. FV and type are optional parameters. Let's take a closer look at the key parameters. The rate is the monthly interest rate, calculated as the annual rate divided by 12. For example, if the annual rate is 5%, then the monthly rate is 0.05 divided by 12, which equals 0.0042. nper is the total number of payments. For example, a 5-year loan with monthly payments would have 5 years times 12 months, which equals 60 payments. Remember to always match your rate and nper periods by using monthly rate with monthly payments. Here's a basic example of how to use the PMT function. Imagine a scenario where you have a $25,000 car loan at 6% annual interest for 5 years. The Excel formula would be equals PMT, open parenthesis, 0.06 divided by 12, comma, 5 times 12, comma, 25,000, close parenthesis. Here's how you can set up your Excel worksheet to use the PMT function. In cell A1, enter loan amount. In cell B1, enter $25,000. In cell A2, enter annual interest rate. In cell B2, enter 6%. In cell A3, enter loan term in years. In cell B3, enter 5. In cell A4, enter PMT formula. In cell B4, enter equals PMT, open parenthesis, B2 divided by 12, comma, B3 times 12, comma, B1, close parenthesis. Finally, in cell A5, enter monthly payment, which would yield a monthly payment of $483.32. Here are some tips and best practices to keep in mind when using the PMT function. First, the PMT function returns negative values. To get positive payment amounts, use negative PMT, open parenthesis, and the rest of the values. Second, always match your time periods. Use a monthly rate with monthly payments and an annual rate with annual payments. Third, use cell references. Reference cells instead of hard coding values for flexibility. Here is a summary of what we've covered. We learned that PMT calculates loan payments and requires the rate, nper, and PV. It also returns negative values by default. The key formula is PMT, open parenthesis, rate, comma, nper, comma, PV, close parenthesis. This is perfect for calculating mortgages, car loans, and personal loans. Master the PMT function to make informed financial decisions and loan calculations. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.